Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up boot menu on Dell Vostro 3910 PC and install Windows. So stay tuned. First of all, need a bootable pen drive and insert, then press F12 and after coming this screen and here you see two options, UEFI bootable pen drive. You will select first one and enter. Next, install Windows. You will follow the process. Here you will create partition. You will make just C drive. After installing Windows, you will create partition from device manager. After restarting, you will remove pen drive from the PC and you will follow the full process. Installation complete. For create partition, you will right click this PC and manage disk management, and here you see the unallocated portion. Right click and you will create different partition. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel.